reviews.
You gotta get yourself a foam roller. First product I got here today, guys, is the Luxfit foam roller. I've been using it for just under 3 years, and the fact that this product looks like I just ordered it a week ago speaks value to the brand overall. Super comfortable. Obviously, me being in the fitness industry, recovery is a very, very key component to being able to help people achieve their goals. This one helps break down muscle fibers in case you're feeling very, very sore. Kind of works out the lactic acid in your muscle groups. So from your back, your shoulders, your chest, your calves, this thing is able to hit it. I pretty much leave it at my gym. I've got another one that stays at my house, and I truly vouch for this product here. I love the durability of it. If you don't necessarily use the big long option like this one is, they do have more of a compact option. The question isn't, who can use this product, it's who isn't using this product. Whether or not you are, at a desk full time, standing on your feet full time, you're a professional athlete, our bodies these machines have to be well kept. And things like this that allow our muscles to kind of recoil, recharge, reset, kind of help with your alignment, working out those different kinks within your body. It gets the job done and it gets it very well at a great price point. So I definitely recommend Luxfit for your foam roll needs.